Welcome back, second graders. Here we are at Number Corner. Again, I'm Mrs. Judd. Most of you know me already. We're going to go over our calendar. We are going to go over our class collection. We're rolling dice for minutes this week. And we'll work on our date with the array. I'll write down everything that we find out on our calendar. And then my last project is working with hundreds because I have something to tell you about the hundreds. Okay, let's get right into calendar. We are still in the month of October. We are still in the year of 2020. I know that today is Monday, so I'm going to come down. We get to move 3 cards today. Let's move Saturday and Sunday. And then before I move Monday, I'm going to ask you guys to predict what you think it should be. And so far we've decided that we have right side, right side, right side, upside down. Right side, right side, right side, upside down. So that was a pattern of about 3 repeat. Our colors are color, color, black and white. Color, color, black and white. Color, oh, that's a big clue. This one should be a color. The last time we had an upside down one was back here. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, here's another one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. No, I don't think this one's going to be upside down. And do we think it's going to be a palmate or a pinnate? And I wanted to read the definition of the two again. So palmate leaves. This one is probably a better example. Palmate leaves have several main veins branching from the base of the leaf. A palmate looks a little bit like your hand. So the veins start at the base of the leaf and work their way up. Where the pinnate, this one is a perfect example. The pinnate, it goes all the way up the middle, but each of these veins come up off of that middle vein. So let's see. Pinnate leaves have veins that all branch off of one central vein. A pinnate leaf looks a little bit like a feather. Good. We hadn't really talked about the exact definition, so I really wanted to go back over this. Okay, so here we go. I think so too. Nice. This one looks exactly like that one, so it's a palmate. It's going straight up, and it wasn't black and white. So I get to come over and write these 3. So we've got a black and white, and it's pointing down, so it's an upside down. Upside down. And for sure, a pinnate. Okay. We can look at our pattern to see if the number 24 is an odd or even. I'm only going to do number 26, so let's do 24 and 25 together. So even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. 24 is definitely an even number. Okay, 25. I've got brown. And it's right side up. And it's also a pinnate. And if we follow our pattern, 25 is an odd. Okay. 26. Let's say this one is a yellow. It might be orange, but I think yellow. pointing mostly up. It was kind of to the side, but it's pointing mostly up. So we'll say right side up. And this one, it's got that central vein coming straight up. And this one is a pomade. Okay, we'll hold off on the odds and even for just a second until we get to our array. Let me stick these back. Okay, let's move on to our minutes that we collect. And we're rolling the dice. A couple times before I've rolled a 3, so we collected 3 groups of 5. The next time I rolled, it was 4 groups of 5 and 5 groups of 5. Oh, I do see that I have to fix this a little bit. So 4 groups of 5 is 20 minutes. And 5 groups of 5 is 25 minutes. Okay, here I come with the dice. 2. So 2 groups of 5 today. And how much is 2 groups of 5? 5, 10. So we get to add 10 minutes. So our clock was at 3 o'clock. We can use this one to add our 10 minutes. 5, 10. So it is going to be 3, 10. 5, 10. And we'll double check on our big clock to see where the actual hands go. And I'm going to start, we get to that 1, 2. Okay, let's double check that I have my hour correct. We're going to put it back to 3 o'clock. We only need to move 2 wedges, 10 minutes. Oops, this has to be at 3 o'clock. There we go. 5, 10. And the hour's just below the 1 minute mark. So we'll move that over. So this is 10 minutes after 3. Okay, I think we've done our calendar, we've done our clock. Now we get to do our array. And today is October 26th. Oh, that just reminded me of one step I didn't do. We gotta come back and write the date. Okay, so today is October 26th, 2020. And in number form, we write it as 10 for the month that October is, the 26th, and only 20 for the year. So October 26th. Now we can do the array. So I did write October 26th up here already. Let's see if I have enough blocks to make 26. 2, 4, 6, 8. I want to slide off the edge, Bobby. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 2, 4, 6. Ah, that hopefully gives you a clue if 26 is an odd or an even. Because look, I made 2 equal rows. I did not have any extras. So let's count how many are on my bottom row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 plus 13 equals 26. then the other ones. So 13 plus 13 equals 26. 26 minus 13 equals 13. There you go. Okay, and I heard you guys tell me that was an even number because we have two equal rows with nothing left over. So 26 is an even number. Okay, I'm going to come and do some worksheets with you guys because we have reached a big day in school. Really, we've only been in school 50 days, but as we're counting by tens. So first I want to count the number line, then I'll come and do the sheets with you just to go back over some hundreds. So let's start in the beginning with 0. 10, 20, and I want you guys to be counting out loud with me. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500. So like I said, even though we're counting by tens, we have been in school 50 days already. So I want to come and look over some of the worksheets, and these are in your number corner workbooks, but they were good worksheets to talk about hundreds. So they've done the 200 for us first. I want you guys to be looking at this side and see if you can help me find which of these equations equals 210. So it can't be this one because we see 220, but let's go ahead and do that one. That was our next one. Okay, this one has a 100 plus a 100, so that's 230. Not quite. This one has a 50 and a 200. Nope. Ooh, there's our number, but it also has a plus 60. So that one is not quite our number. There's 200 plus 40 and 40. Nope. We've already used this one. 200 plus 90. Ooh, keep that one in mind because we'll need to find that one. There's 200 plus 30 and 30. 220. No. Plus 20. 10 plus 200. Oh, there's our number. So we get to go way up there. Now we're looking for something that equals 230. Oh, that's right. This one that has 100 plus 100 makes the 200, and there's our 30. Okay, 240. Ooh, I see a 40 in here, but 40 plus 40 wouldn't quite work. 10 plus 60 is too much. 50 is too much. 90 is too much. 30 plus 30 is 60. That's too much. Oh, maybe this one. 220 plus 20. So 20 plus 20 is 40. So 220 plus 20. Okay. Oh, here's that. 50 plus 200. Oh, that one might have worked if this was 200 plus 60. But 210 plus 60 does not work. Oh, look at this one. 30 plus 30 is 60. So there is our match. And this one is our match to 270 because 10 plus 60 is 70. Oh, this one kind of gave itself away. 200 plus 90. So we go all the way down. So we've used that one, that one, that one, that one, That one. Oh, so we just have this one remaining. And I've been saying 40 plus 40 equals how much? 80. Good job. So we've matched all of that. Let's come back up and do the number line. Now remember, we were counting by 200s. You can look at that pink strip to help, or the pink strip behind me. But let's take a peek at that pink strip up there. So 200. Ooh, good. 210 comes next. Nice. 220. Thank you guys for shouting out the numbers. So I've got 230. What number comes next? Nice. 240. Next. Good job. 250. And we've got 260. What comes after 260? Way up at the top. You're right. 270. And our last one? 280. Nice job, you guys. That's in the 200s. Let's take a quick look at the 300s and the 400s. I'm going to go a little faster this time so it's not as boring. Okay, look, I see my first one here. There's a 310 plus a 0. That one was easy. Okay, 300 plus 90. I'm going to come all the way down and find that one. 300 plus 70. I'm going to find that one. Ooh, now they're really trying to trick us. 390 minus 60. So if we just looked at 90 minus 60, I know that 9 minus 6 is 3. So I bet you this one is 330. Ooh, 90 minus 10. Good, 380. I heard a lot of you yell that out. Good job. 300 plus 50. Oh, they're trying to trick us now. 60 plus 300. But we know that one's 360. 320. And now we've got a little trickier one. 330 plus 10. But 30 plus 10 is 40. So it's got to be that one. Okay, let you guys look up on the number line. And my number is 300. Then I have a 310, a 320. What number comes next? Ooh, good. 330. Next. 340. Good job. 350. Ooh, you guys are on it. 360. I have a 370. What's my next number? 380. Good job, everybody. And then my last number was 390. Then we get to jump to the 400s. Let's do our number line first, since we're kind of on a roll with that. So we had 400 and 410. 400. Okay, we were at 420. I have 430 on my page. What's my next number that I can fill in? Good, 440. Next number, 450. Good job. I have 460 on my paper. What's the next number I should fill in? 470, 480, 490. Good job, everybody. And we made it to that 500. Okay, let's do this one real quick. Ooh, they're getting trickier. Now they're doing it in number and words form. Okay, so 450 ones. So that one is 450. 460 ones. We still say it, 460. 400 plus 40 plus 0. I think so too. It's 440. Ooh, this one they're really trying to get us. 200 plus 200, so we know that's 400. We're right in the same place. And 40 plus 40. Good, I heard a bunch of you yell out 80. So that one is 480. Ooh, 300s and 12 tens. What do we think that one's gonna be? Okay, I think so. Okay, so 300s plus 12 tens, so that's 120. So this one makes it 420. Ooh, 500 minus 10. Good. That's 490. Nice work, everybody. Okay, here we go again. Here's another tricky one. 227 tens. Nice. 470. You guys are so smart. Oh, 410 ones all the way up. Okay, here's our last one. 400s and 3 tens. Yep, it's got to be 430. It was the only one we didn't have filled out. Nice work, you guys. I'm glad we worked on our hundreds a little bit more. We'll probably work on those one more time before the end of October, and we move into November. Okay, second graders, we are finished for the day. I want you guys to answer the question of what is today's date, and you're going to say today's date is the 50th day, but it's the 500 on our number line, sorry. 50 or 500 for today's date. And how many minutes did we collect today? We collect 2 sets of 5, so we collected 10 minutes. Okay, second graders, see you later. Bye-bye.